Welcome to Vridhivaj Finance and the GMP prediction for Park Mediworld Limited. We have mentioned IPO detail in the description. You can go and check out because we have late uploaded IPO detail of Vridhivaj Finance of Park Mediworld Limited. I think we have wrap up very simply. So right now the IPO details of the Park MediWorld Limited. So the Park will be the symbol 10 December 2025 till 20 December 2025. If you haven't subscribed this IPO, go and subscribe it. It is your wish. The issue type will be 100% book building issue, price range between 154 to 162 rupees, and the IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager Nuama Wealth Management Systems CLSA India Private Limited, Dam Capital Advisory Intensive Fiscal Service Private Limited, sponsor Bank Axis Bank and ICICI Bank Limited. So this is all about IPO detail. So the subscription, whatever the Park Hotel is got to subscribe this IPO by qualified institutional buyer, 11.48 number of total mint for the category. Non-institutional investor show interest in this IPO, 15.15 number of total mint for the category. Retail individual investor show interest in this IPO, 3.16 number of total mint for the category. Overall, this IPO has got subscribed 8.10 number of total mint for the category. GMP prediction for Park Mediworld Limited by Vridhivaj Finance, and this company will give it to you listing gain. It can goes up to 180 rupees or 175. We will give it to you. 175 will be minimum listing on the day of listing. Suppose this will give it to you discount offer, it can goes up to 158 on the day of opening, but frankly speaking, Park Mediworld will give it to you listing maximum not more than 180, 200, something like that. But here is the fixed price issue. We will give it to you because the way this IPO has performed, we can't say anything. Thank you, by Vridhivaj Finance. Catch us later on after stock get listed. I think the Christmas vacation we will put all since last 2 year whatever stock we have not predicted, we will predicted it overall because we have a that kind of strategy to do it one time. It's like going somebody's marriage and eating and enjoying the Diwali, Holi, Dashera and everything. The similarly we also do all the celebration on this Christmas vacation. So don't forget to watch our YouTube channel. Apart from that, actually we had told into international market 100 days, 100 equity, $100, but we have discontinued that 100, but we don't know when. Everything is unpredictable. So thank you, by Vridhivaj Finance.